Hey everyone!
Good morning! Are you looking to step up your social media game?
If so, I'm Fawn Estes with Remax Radiance, and I'm with Rachel Rango with Movement Mortgage, and we're here to talk about 4 easy, super easy steps how you can manage your social media.
So step number 1 is to schedule your content. Throughout the day, there are peak times that Facebook users are more active. One of those times is very early morning, later on in the morning, as well as around lunch hour. After that, 4:15 is proven to be the number 1 peak time during the day that gets most active Facebook users. And then, of course, after the dinner hour. So be sure to schedule some of your content during those times.
So how about putting something out early in the morning and then engaging with people, say around noon or even that 4:15 hour when everybody's really active, so that way you keep things fresh in people's feed.
Right. I mean, you don't necessarily have to post new things every day. You can comment on something that you posted the day before or even a week prior, and that'll increase engagement and it'll flow back through the news feed, so it'll increase more engagement.
Awesome. So number 2 would be remembering who your audience is. Both Rachel and I have our Facebook page, personal and business. We don't feel the need to have one for each, but it's really important to remember who your audience is. And our tip is really keeping things 50-50. So 50% of your posts should be personal and 50% focused on business. So you don't want to saturate your Facebook feed with too much of one or the other.
So my tip for that is if you're feeling a little bit angry and want to write a ranting post, I would sit back a few minutes before hitting that post button because it doesn't look very professional doing so.
That's very true, Rachel. And I would say 2 things to maybe be very cautious about would be posting too passionate about religion or politics, right?
Absolutely. Those are 2 no-nos. So number 3 is be visual. Facebook users are more likely to engage in your posts if there are video and photographs. Video most likely. 75% of all engagement in 2017 was because of video.
That's awesome, and no matter how uncomfortable you may feel getting in front of the camera, maybe you start with just some moving memes until you feel comfortable getting yourself in front of the camera and really making some videos. But we highly encourage both because it will bring so much more engagement.
Speaking of engagement, our next step is engage. It's important to continually be posting content that your followers are really engaging with. So it's smart to take notes on, which posts are getting the most views, which types of posts are getting the most comments, whether it's blogs or videos on tips such as ours, or blogs on market updates and such. So just take note on what's really the best for you.
Absolutely. So take note on what's relevant for your viewers, and it's all about providing value. And that's it.
Well, thank you all so much. Have a great day.
Thanks.